What it is, man. What it is, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, dog. So today I got an unboxing. So I got exclusive access on Nike a couple of last week, and they got them off-white dunks coming out. You know what I'm saying? So I checked my phone. Luckily, I was going to lunch at that time, so I checked my phone right at 11:02, and I saw that I had a notification from the Sneakers app. If you don't know what the Sneakers app is, where Nike do all their exclusive releases on. I recommend that you download it if you want to get hype stuff like Travis Scott's, all that stuff. Even the regular Jordan releases too. They do GRs, all that stuff, but that's where I get everything. So I check it, and then I see that they still got sizes left, and then as soon as I put mine in, man, boom, I got that got 'em notification. Card was charged, everything. I was so hyped, bro. I was so hyped. Rest of the day, I know I ain't hit on the Travis Scott lows recently, so I wasn't too mad that I got these. I don't know what's inside. I just got the package yesterday. So yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. I don't know which one I'm kind of hoping for, but I just want to all of them are pretty wearable. All of them are gray and stuff like that, so you'll be able to get a pretty good colorway and stuff. They only change the laces and stuff like that, so let's see what we got. Nike stopped doing that other box, and then they started to get the one that's it's like a eco-friendly box, and you just rip off the thing. It don't come with no tape or nothing, none of that. Just steal the tape no more, so you ain't gotta worry about all that. But yeah, man, check the box. Got your off-white box. It's got the the holes in it. I got my size, a size 10, and then it's 11.5 in women's. If you haven't had dunks before, or just in general, if you got Jordan 1s, you know how they fit. Dunks, I always go true to size. I go to true to size with my Jordan 1s. All my Jordans, as a matter of fact. So I recommend going true to size, but if you have the chance to try them on, I would recommend that before purchasing them, because that's always your safest bet. But yeah, you got the box, and then it got a bunch of holes in it. They got plastic covers over these holes to make sure I guess nothing get in there or something. I don't fucking know. But yeah. On this label right here, it reads Nike Sportswear, location WHQ, which is Beaverton, Oregon, and then the style number is DJ0950/DM1602, season FA21, and then the TC code is N2. So, color code reads Nike Dunk Low, Sail Neutral Gray, and then we got Violet or Vol and Gray. I guess it's just a colorway in a different language and stuff like that. Retail is $180. Sheesh. But yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's see what colorway I got. Hey, this gonna be my raw reaction. This is my raw reaction. So, let's peel it back, man. Let's see. What colorway is that? Oh, shit. Got some blue laces in here? Yeah. Oh, so you don't know, all the colorways were pretty similar. They were just all gray. And then the only part that they changed up was was pretty much the off-white laces, the ones that they do in these little loops and stuff. But yeah, man, check them out. Check them out. Got the blue laces, and then this is number 5 out of 50. You see that right there? It's got 5 out of 50. And then this material is it's a leather material, and then it's got a kind of like a canvas type of toe box and stuff. These dope, man. Got my yellow tongue. I'm actually digging these. For real. Got your off-white tag. It's kind of cool that they release them and then you don't know what colorway you get until you get them. So, but all of them are wearable, you know what I'm saying? But this, I feel like it's going to be really wearable just because of like this blue. I think blue goes with a lot of stuff, so. And then that, man, these nice. Take a look at both pairs. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, man. Them off-white dunks. But let me know what colorway were y'all looking forward to? Did y'all hit on them? They still giving out exclusive access like randomly, so I would keep checking my phone like every day of the week around like 11. I don't know if they'll be giving out exclusive access like how long or anything like that, but I know that it's gonna be going on for a while. And if you have a chance to hit, like, I would just keep checking, man. Cause I just got it. Like I said, I just got it randomly. I ain't get like, you know, sometimes they do exclusive access and you find out like the day before that you have exclusive access, and then you can plan it out and stuff like that. But this is just like random exclusive access. But yo, these dope, man. These dope. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know y'all thoughts down low, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button. Stop being lazy, man. It's right there. It's free. Just hit it for me. For real. Help your boy out, man. Help me out. But, yeah, man. This is the end of the video, man. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. I'll see y'all on the next one. All right. Peace.